So friends, today we'll do unboxing of Moza Mini S. I ordered it on Amazon. It costed me 4,500. I don't know what will be the price when you will watching this. Earlier it was more than 5,000. Yeah. Let's see. So here the box. The box. The huge box. Bill. Box. And yeah, the trash this end. Yep. This is it. Shall I open? No. Comment yes or no. No, I trial open. So this is my first gimbal. I haven't bought any gimbal before this, and as much I've seen, people have said that it's a good gimbal for the first gimbal. To be your first gimbal, everything away, and you wanna see this? Oh, it's quite small. It's just, see, half of my hand, the box. So this is the annual paperwork and all. This is the wire this end and a pouch. So we can use this wire to connect to a phone directly or to charge. This is the wire. This is something we should not give to anyone. This is the. So I got this pouch and these two wires. Yep. Now let's see. What is this? This is the tripod. The tripod. Yeah, good plastic. Yep, this is it. Oh, so as much I have seen on YouTube, it's like this clip. You have to do it like this, and then it should rotate. But how? Oh, you heard that tick. So guys, this is it. There's a trigger we have. Oh, it feels heavy, not that light as much I thought, but yeah, it's good, stiff, good quality. So guys, these are the buttons. This was a trigger, this is the joystick and the 4 buttons on the left, and middle one is the click button, and then this is the turn on button and the type C you saw. So now I'll show you how it's on. So we press the red button, it's turning on. Now you see, so I am using joystick to move it up, down, left, right, so that we can do. You see, on in any direction you can do that. And these are the buttons you use. You triple click the bottom button and it goes to inception mode, and there are like multiple modes on clicking twice or thrice, or sometimes just holding the trigger it goes to lock mode. It's like that. So this is how turn on the camera, and you can see you can do multiple stuff, you can be creative. So that's how you use it. So I prefer the my OnePlus app only to do the videos and all, but it also has a Moza app, so I'll show that you later. So guys, now I'll show you the interface of the Moza Genie app. So you can see on the left bottom corner, you can see this connection blinking Bluetooth. So here you get the device when it's turned on. So I haven't turned it on, you cannot see, so you can connect it from there. Once you have done that, then you can see there are filters. On top right corner there is a icon, you can see all those inbuilt filter for from the app. And then there are many other things also in the app, so you can use other filters. Then you go to photo mode, you can click photos, you can take videos. There's a time lapse from, you can also shoot high lapse and hyperlapse. And then there's the slow motion mode also. So this is the Android version. And then there's this auto mode, auto exposure, you can select other exposures, set your priorities yourself. And then there's this grid modes, you can choose different kind of grids, different type of frames you want to frame it in, ratios, frame ratio, these all stuff is there. So it's a decent app, but it's like slow motion I did not like on the app. It's like it's lags, it makes a very not so good slow motion, I can say. So my personal preference is the app. So right now you can see I have used the pro mode to adjust the exposure and the brightness, so it's like it breaks into two, so that you saw. And yeah, that's all. It's okay app. And from top you can see you can take the multiple timers for the time lapse, and then you can go to the video and you can select the 4K 720 or 180p. 4K is in 30 fps, but it's like in my personal like inbuilt app for the phone, it's 60 fps, so I prefer that as well. So I'll use this for some time and then I'll post a review on this. So yeah, I still need to learn this, then I'll show you how this works. So here it has 3 axes. Now this, you see, this cool. Thank you guys, hope you saw what you will get if you will order. But yeah, it's a good quality product. Around 5,000 if you get it, it's good. Thank you.